Hello, green thumbs. Enhance your gardens with these 25 magnificent small flowering plants: Marigold, Sun-hued brilliance, Begonia, lush, lovely blooms, Lily of the Valley, delicate white fragrance, Petunia, diverse, Daisy, classic simplicity, Snapdragon, vibrant, fairy tale allure, Lavender, serene purple, Pansy, art in bloom, Vinca, starlet elegance, Primrose, bursting colors, Calendula, sunlit daisy charm, Columbine, hummingbird, impatience, continuous color splashes, Sweet alyssum, clouds of white fragrance, Bleeding heart, romance in petals, Zinnia, bold beauty, Cosmos, delicate, dreamy dances, Nasturtium, edible, foxglove, towering bell blooms, Sweet pea, fragrant, feathery fantasies, Poppies, vibrant, cheerful splashes, Bird of paradise, exotic elegance, Gazania, sun-kissed daisies, Snowdrop, hope in delicate white, Portulaca, succulent